Hi sweets, in today's tutorial I wanted to get out of my comfort zone and use a little bit of more darkening colors in my eyes. So this is why my eyes look the way they look. And as well, I'm trying to practice the part that I don't set my base, which is I'm struggling, but I'm getting there. So let's just jump to the tutorial. To speed things up a little bit in this video, I voice over the first part. So I start everything with my CoverGirl Vitalist Go Glow Luminizer Lotion in Daybreak, and I applied it all over my face with my hands. Then I went with my NYX Hydra Touch Primer, and I applied it the same way with my hands all over my face. Then I applied my Physician Formula Refreshmint ID Puffer in my eyes only. And for foundation, I decided to go with my Rimmel Lasting Finish Foundation in 200 Soft Beige. And I applied it with my Equal Tools Wonder Cover Complexion in tapping motions all over my face. And for contour, I went with my Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse in Cocoa Dark 3. And I applied it with an application brush from the crown. This I did it in the hollows of my cheeks, in my chin, my forehead. I did my lips and a little bit my nose. And to blend everything together, I use my Crown Duo Fiber. But first, I apply foundation to this brush to make it easier to blend everything together and the two products buffed in my face. Then to brighten it a little bit, my inner corner, I went with my Algenist Reveal Color Correcting Brightener Eye Serum, and I blended it with my Sephora Pro 57 brush. Then for concealer, I went with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Light 20, and I applied it all over the places that I wanted to be brightened, which are my under eye, my Cupid's bow, my smile lines, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and under my contour. And I blended it with my Sephora Pro 57 brush. And to make sure that everything was well blended and buffed together, I went again with the Crown Duo Fiber brush. Then for highlighter, I went with my Algenist Reveal Concentrated Luminizing Drops in Rose. This I blended it with my finger because I figured it was better and it looked a lot, actually looked better with my fingers than using any other thing to blend it. And for blush, I went with the Rimmel, the one only matte lipstick in High Flyer, the 610. And I applied it with an application brush from the Crown. I think it's a Shadow Chaser or something like that. And then I used the same brush that I used earlier, which was the Crown Fiber Duo, to buff everything together. To fill my eyebrows, I went with my MAC Lingering Eyebrows. And then to set everything together, I went with the Brow Gal, the Instatint Brow Hair 02, and I brushed my hairs to set them in place. And then to set my brow bone and my eyebrows, I went with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pencil Color Corrector Base in number 1, and I blended it with my Sephora 57 brush. I'm gonna start the eye look, and for it, I'm gonna start using my Infinity palette from the Linda Hallberg Cosmetic line, and I'm gonna start with Sweetie and using my Airline Moda Pro 430 brush. I'm gonna pack the brush and I'm gonna start in my crease. I'm just using the tip of the brush to apply the shadow, and I'm doing it in circular motions towards my inner corner. Now I'm gonna use Cigar, and I'm gonna apply it in my outer V with the same brush, which is the LA Moda Pro 430 brush. And the same thing as I did with my crease color, I'm just doing it with the tip of the brush in circular motions, and I'm blending it at the same time with my crease color. From the BH Cosmetic, I'm gonna use my Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna mix these two blue shades here, and I'm gonna apply them with my Crown Oval Fluff, and I'm gonna press them in the middle of my lid towards my outer V. I'm gonna take the excess of the brush that I'm using And with tapping motions, I'm gonna try to blend this hard line that I have here. Now I'm going back to my Infinity palette and I'm gonna use the color 4 next. And I'm gonna apply it with my Basanti Contour eyeshadow in number 4 brush. And the same thing with the tip of the brush, I'm gonna apply it in my outer V. And in circular motions, I'm gonna try to apply the color to the rest of this area. And at the same time, I'm blending it. Now I'm taking the same brush that I used to apply the first 2 colors, and I'm gonna take Cigar and I'm gonna place it on top of Fornex to help me blend any visible line that I may have. I'm gonna take me to Brazil. Apply again the same 2 blues with the same brush, the oval fluff from the crown, because I lost a little bit of the pigment while I was blending and applying Fornex. And now for the rest of the lid, I'm gonna take first Maffei and then I'm gonna take Virgil on top of it. And I am gonna apply them with one of the brushes that I got from the Crown Trio. Brush it. First I'm applying Maffei. And I'm trying to blend the harsh line that I had from the blue. I think I'm gonna go better with Milky Way because it's a lighter shade. I'm gonna take it with my finger and I'm gonna tap the color on top of it. For my brow bone, I'm gonna do Virgil. And for my inner corner to really pop, I'm gonna take me to Brazil. And I'm gonna use this white greenish color and using a crown pencil brush, I'm gonna press it to my inner corner. Now for my bottom part, I'm gonna start with Squeaky. And I'm gonna use the Sigma E36 brush. I'm applying it into my bottom part. And now I'm gonna take again my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. Smudger brush, which is this chisel shader from the crown. I'm going to use the same 2 blues that I have been using, and I'm gonna apply them on top of my bottom lashes. Using my Kat Von D tattoo liner, I'm gonna do a wing, but only to the half of my lid. Now I'm gonna do my wing. First, I draw the distance of the wing that I want. And now I'm gonna drag it to my lid. And I'm gonna fill it in. For falsies, I'm using my Kiss Blowout Lash in Beehive. This one. First, I'm gonna press the center. And now I'm gonna do the sides. And then for mascara, I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Lash Paradise in Black is Black. First, I'm gonna do my bottom and then I'm gonna do my top. And for lips, I'm gonna use the same color that I apply in my cheeks, which is the Rimmel London. The only one matte lipstick in High Flyer. As always, I first draw my Cupid's bow. Now the side. Now the bottom, first the center, and now the sides. Now to set the entire makeup together, I'm going with my Algenist Hydrating Mist. So sweets, this is the final look. I hope you like it. I have forgotten totally about the Take Me to Brazil and how amazing the colors blend and how pigmented they are. So if you got the opportunity to grab it, do it. I think they just repackaged it in the Beige Cosmetics site. So you can still get it if you want to. So I really hope you like it, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.